चलो अब एक स्टोरी सुनते हैं एआई का सीक्रेट गार्डन। Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a curious 6-year-old girl named Ananya. Ananya loved exploring and asking questions about everything she saw. One day, while playing near her home, she stumbled upon a hidden pathway leading to a mysterious gate. The gate had a sign that read, "The Secret Garden of AI." As Ananya pushed the gate open, she entered a world unlike any other.
The garden was filled with the most colorful flowers she had ever seen, and the trees were tall and seemed to dance with energy. She noticed something even more magical. The plants and flowers could talk. उसको ये सब एकदम जादू सा लगा, and she became more curious.
A friendly sunflower turned to Ananya and said, "Welcome to the secret garden of AI, where we plants have been given the gift of intelligence and speech through artificial intelligence." Ananya was amazed. She walked around and met a rose, who taught her maths, a chatty nimbu tree who told her stories of faraway land, and a wise old bargatka tree who explained how rain nourishes the earth.
In the heart of the garden stood a magnificent tree, एकदम दिवाली की lights की तरह. It was the AI tree, the source of all the magic in the garden. The tree had screens on its trunk, showing stories, puzzles, and games. Ananya spent hours solving puzzles and listening to stories, learning new things with each one. As the sun began to set, the AI tree said, "Ananya, you have a bright mind. Always keep it curious. Here, take this." The tree gave her a small glowing seed. "This is a seed of knowledge. Plant it in your world, and it will help you and your friends learn and grow."
Ananya thanked the AI tree and promised to visit again. She ran back home, her heart full of joy and her mind buzzing with new ideas. She planted the glowing seed in her garden, eager to share the magic of the secret garden of AI with everyone. And from that day on, the seed grew into a beautiful tree under which Ananya and her friends would gather to learn, imagine, and dream. The secret garden was no longer a secret as it spread its magic, inspiring all the children to explore the wonderful world of AI. And they all lived curiously and intelligently ever after. ऐसी और स्टोरीज सुनने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा किड्स नगरी यूट्यूब चैनल। बच्चों, लेट्स बिकम एआई डिटेक्टिव्स। जस्ट लाइक अ डिटेक्टिव uses clues to solve mysteries, we can use our curiosity to explore the world of AI. जब हम AI के बारे में सवाल पूछते हैं, हम नए राज और रोमांचक चीजें सीखते हैं। Every question you ask helps you learn more about AI. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and enjoy the magical journey of discovering AI.